Imagine waking up to that familiar ache in your knees, the kind that makes every step feel like a battle. But what if, by the end of this video, you had 3 simple, delicious secrets from your kitchen that could turn that pain into distant memory? Stick around, because today, we're unlocking the natural power of ginger to relieve arthritis pain for good. Hey there, friends. If you're here, chances are you felt the grip of arthritis, that relentless stiffness, the swelling that steals your joy from simple things like walking the dog or hugging your grandkids. I'm here as your guide, a fellow traveler who's seen how nature's remedies can transform lives. In this video, we'll dive into 3 effective ginger recipes for naturally relieving arthritis pain. These aren't just recipes, they're life changers backed by science and centuries of wisdom. By the end, you'll walk away with easy-to-make drinks and meals that fight inflammation at its core, plus a bonus tip that'll supercharge your results. Let's embark on this healing journey together. Your joints will thank you. First up, number 1. The soothing embrace of ginger turmeric tea, a golden elixir that's like a warm hug for your aching joints. Picture this: it's a chilly morning, and your hands are curled around a steaming mug. The steam rises, carrying the spicy, earthy scent of ginger and the vibrant hue of turmeric. As you take that first sip, you feel a gentle warmth spreading through your body, easing the tightness in your fingers and knees. This isn't just tea, it's a ritual that whispers, "You're going to be okay." And the best part, it's one of the most effective ginger recipes for naturally relieving arthritis pain, simple enough for anyone to whip up in minutes. Why does this work so magically? Let's get into the facts. Ginger has been a staple in traditional medicine for over 2,000 years, from ancient China to India. Its key players are compounds called gingerols and chagols, which act like natural blockers against inflammation. Studies, like those published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, show that these can reduce joint swelling and pain by inhibiting enzymes that trigger inflammation, similar to how ibuprofen works, but without the stomach upset. Then there's turmeric, the golden spice that's been hailed by experts like Dr. Andrew Weil for its curcumin content. Curcumin is a powerhouse antioxidant that dives deep into your cells, fighting oxidative stress and reducing arthritis symptoms. A meta-analysis in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that curcumin can be as effective as NSAIDs for knee osteoarthritis, helping folks move more freely without side effects. But here's the expert tip that elevates this tea: add a pinch of black pepper. Piperine in black pepper skyrockets curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, according to research from St. John's Medical College. It's like giving your body a VIP pass to all that healing goodness. Now, for the actionable takeaway, let's make it together. Grab 1 to 2 inches of fresh ginger, peeled and sliced thin. Add a teaspoon of ground turmeric, or fresh if you have it. Boil 2 cups of water, toss in the ginger and turmeric, and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain into your mug, sprinkle that black pepper, and sweeten with honey or a lemon squeeze for extra vitamin C boost. Pro tip: stir in a teaspoon of coconut oil for even better absorption. It turns it into a creamy latte vibe. Imagine sipping this daily. One viewer shared in the comments of a similar video how, after 2 weeks, her morning stiffness vanished, letting her garden again without pain. Could this be your story? If you're nodding yes, hit pause and brew one now. But don't go yet, we've got 2 more recipes that build on this foundation. Speaking of building momentum, as your tea settles in, let's ramp up the flavor with something savory. Transitioning from that warm sip to a sizzling pan, our second recipe turns dinner into a delicious defense against arthritis. Number 2. Ginger garlic stir-fry, a vibrant explosion of colors and tastes that's like a fireworks show for your taste buds and a shield for your joints. Envision this scene: the kitchen fills with the sizzle of garlic and the zing of ginger hitting hot oil. You toss in crisp veggies, and in under 15 minutes, you've got a plate that's not just food, it's fuel for freedom from pain. This stir-fry is a top ginger recipe for naturally relieving arthritis pain because it combines everyday ingredients into an anti-inflammatory feast. Diving into the science, ginger's gingerols aren't alone here. Garlic brings allicin, a sulfur compound that's an inflammation fighter extraordinaire. A study in the journal Nutrition found that regular garlic intake lowers C-reactive protein levels, a key marker of inflammation in arthritis sufferers. Experts at the Arthritis Foundation recommend sulfur-rich foods like garlic for protecting cartilage and reducing joint degradation. Pair them, and it's synergy at its best. Ginger calms the immediate ache, while garlic boosts your immune system to prevent flare-ups. Add veggies, and you're layering on more. Broccoli's sulforaphane, per Harvard Health, blocks enzymes that damage joints, making this a comprehensive attack on arthritis. Here's your vivid example. Think of an athlete recovering from injury. Nutritionists often prescribe ginger-garlic combos for faster healing. One study from the University of Maryland showed participants with osteoarthritis reported 40% less pain after incorporating similar meals. Actionable steps: heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a wok. Mince 2 to 3 garlic cloves and 1 to 2 inches of ginger. Saute for a minute to release those aromas. Throw into cups of mixed veggies like broccoli, bell peppers, and carrots. Drizzle with low-sodium soy sauce, stir for 5 to 7 minutes, and top with sesame seeds. Expert tip: sneak in turmeric for a triple threat. As suggested by integrative medicine specialist Dr. Josh X, it amplifies the anti-inflammatory punch. Make this twice a week, and watch the transformation. A friend of mine, battling rheumatoid arthritis, swapped her processed dinners for this and felt her energy soar, with fewer swollen days. What's your go-to veggie? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear how you customize this. And hold on, because our third recipe chills things down while heating up the healing. From the heat of the stir-fry to the cool refreshment of a blender, let's blend our way to even more relief. This next one is perfect for those hot days when you need something light yet powerful. Number 3. Ginger Pineapple Smoothie, a tropical escape in a glass that's like a vacation for your sore joints, blending sweetness with spice for ultimate natural relief. Close your eyes and see it. Sunlight filters through your window as you blend chunks of juicy pineapple with zesty ginger. The whir of the blender promises a creamy, invigorating drink that slips down easy, leaving a tingle of healing behind. This is more than a smoothie. It's one of the most refreshing ginger recipes for naturally relieving arthritis pain, ideal for breakfast or a post-workout boost. Why so effective? Ginger's anti-inflammatory stars meet pineapple's bromelain, an enzyme that's been a game-changer in studies. Research in the journal Cellular and Molecular Life Sciences shows bromelain reduces swelling and pain in arthritis patients by breaking down inflammatory proteins, sometimes rivaling prescription drugs. The National Institutes of Health even notes its use in post-surgical recovery for joint issues. Add greens like spinach for antioxidants that shield your cells, and seeds for omega-3 salt that lubricate joints, as per the Mayo Clinic. It's a nutrient symphony where each ingredient plays a role in harmony. For a memorable analogy, it's like sending a cleanup crew to your joints. Ginger sweeps away inflammation, bromelain dissolves the debris, and the rest fortifies the defenses. Real-world insight. In a trial from the University of Miami, participants drinking bromelain-rich smoothies saw improved mobility in just weeks. One expert, nutritionist Joy Bauer, swears by this combo for her clients with chronic pain. Your takeaway recipe: blend 1 cup pineapple chunks, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 cup spinach, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and 1 cup almond milk. For creaminess, add half a banana. Blend smooth, done in 2 minutes. Bonus tip: include turmeric and black pepper, as we teased earlier, to make it a quadruple-powered drink. Tease alert: watch till the end for that secret enhancer. Sip this 3 to 4 times a week, and feel the shift. I recall a story from a community forum where a woman with hip arthritis started this routine and danced at her daughter's wedding pain-free. Inspiring, right? If arthritis has dimmed your spark, this could reignite it. Share in the comments, what's your favorite smoothie add-in? As we wrap up this journey from dawn's warm tea to evening's cool smoothie, with a savory stop in between, let's reflect on the transformation we've unlocked. We've explored 3 effective ginger recipes for naturally relieving arthritis pain. The comforting ginger turmeric tea that starts your day with golden calm, the flavorful ginger garlic stir-fry that turns meals into medicine, and the revitalizing ginger pineapple smoothie that refreshes and restores. Each one harnesses ginger's ancient power, backed by science, to reduce inflammation, ease stiffness, and reclaim your mobility. Remember, consistency turns these into habits that heal, not overnight miracles, but steady steps toward a pain-free life. And here's that promise bonus. For all recipes, steep or marinate your ginger longer, up to 20 minutes, to extract more gingerols, amplifying relief by 30%, per a study in food chemistry. It's the secret sauce to supercharge your results. If this resonated, smash that like button, it helps spread the healing. Subscribe for more natural remedies, and hit the bell so you never miss out. Comment below, which recipe will you try first, and what's your arthritis story? Share this with a loved one in pain though. Thank you. Next time, we lines and cover 5 turmeric hacks for instant joint relief. You won't want to miss it. Until then, take that first sip or bite toward better health. You deserve to live without limits. See you soon.